Kyle Wyman on his way to his first victory right in Harley-Davidson's backyard. Could you ask for a better scrimmage?
You know, the highs can't be as high as they are without having the lows. You know, the wins don't feel as good if you've never had to really battle through it to get there. So, you know, it's kind of one of those things. I mean, the sport's so punishing, that's why it's, you know, so amazing when it goes well.
Just getting a chance to ride for the factory, and that's a dream come true now. To win for the factory is incredible.
This is big, not just for the race win and in Harley's backyard, but the points.
Well, getting discharged from hospital in Sheboygan. I've broken my radius and the elbow. Snapped the head off the back side of it, so my elbow's displaced, broken from that little low side in the Superbike race. So, highs and lows of racing. You know, I had maybe an hour to kind of enjoy the win for Harley, but I still have one race on the schedule, so you know, I'm still mentally focused on that and trying to get ready for that. So I was having a pretty good race in the battle.
Kyle Wyman and Matthew Skultz right now running 4th and 5th.
Just past halfway through the race, I crashed. Kind of innocent low side, but the way I fell, I caught the kind of the front edge of the curbing in the chicane there.
And you can see him holding his left arm, just holding it down there a little bit.
My elbow just caught the front of that, and I immediately knew that something was broken for sure. I mean, I could feel it snap. There we were, just a few hours after glory. Finally got the operation done, plate, 7 screws, and good to go. From the doctor's perspective, everything went really well. So we're back on the road to recovery. Winning Road America on the Harley-Davidson Road Glide was one of the best experiences in my racing career, just getting that win for those guys. And it's really cool to be able to see the reaction of them, you know, with me coming across the line. And
awesome for this team to be able to get the chance to see this. Everybody's just been working so hard. All of it's come together. We got that Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle horsepower out there.
That's what it's all about, you know, just getting that result at the end of the day. That's what we're all chasing. You know, we were there for the win, and we were able to get the points lead, take control of the championship. The way I've put it in my mind is that I'm racing that race no matter what. Like, even if you have to, you know, even if I gotta tie my arm to my side and I gotta ride around with one arm, like, I'm gonna try. So when I roll out Friday for practice, it's gonna be what it is. And you know, for me, the goal is to be ready to ride at Laguna Seca, because it's the 3rd and final round of our series and we're leading the championship. So we need to finish 6th or better in that race in order to get the King of the Baggers title. And I'm focused on that, whatever it's going to take.